Hello and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to share with you the Bible study Notion template. So whether you're new to studying the Bible or a seasoned believer, so this template will help you or enrich you with your spiritual walk. So let's dive in. So to download the template, just go to randyvalencianotion.gumroad.com or visit in the link description below. So choose from the list of all these libraries. So choose the Bible Study Dashboard. So it's free. All of my templates are all free. So just download them all. So after clicking the Bible Study Dashboard, so click Add to Cart, input the fair price, which is zero. It's free. So, but if you want to donate or support my Gumroad profile, you can input $10, maybe $20, but you can always input zero, then add to cart. Then after that, input your email address, and then follow the instructions there. So this is the template. So as you can see, my access page. So there's a welcome note, the image, tapos instructions on how to duplicate. So follow nyo lang itong instructions na to. Then this is the template link. There's also a video guide na create ko. Follow nyo lang din to if you need more instructions. Then download the other templates if you want. Let's go to the Bible Study Dashboard. Tapos from the Bible Study Dashboard, meron tayong quick actions. For prayer requests, devotions, Bible topic, new lessons, and Bible verse, we have the stats, databases, do not delete them, prayer requests answered, and all prayer requests na display dito. Then we have the Bible verses, your favorite Bible verses dito sa left side, and your Bible study groups. So sa center naman, so we have the daily devotions or the verse for the day. You can add new daily devotions, Bible topics as well. You can create your own Bible topics, lessons. So inside the topics, so it's like a series or module. Inside them, yun yung mga Bible lessons. For example, if you click the name above all names, meron siyang lesson from here. You can create them, customize, and delete Bible topics. You can also check them if it's completed or not. So at least you can track. Then from there, makikita nyo yung progress from here. And after that, the worship services or the sermon notes. So worship services in Kids Church, the same database lang siya. It's just that it's tagged as adult for the worship services and kids for the kids. Then we have on the right side, we have the daily, weekly memory verse. So you can set them per week sa Bible verses. Later, I will show you. Then worship songs, reading list, and also we have Bible verses by category. Trust, courage. So there, I pre-filled the other Bible verses, but of course, you can add more Bible verses. So let's begin with creating the Bible verse or daily devotion. So if you want to create a Bible verse, meron dito tayong quick actions. Just click nyo lang yung button. Or you can go to the Bible verses database. Pwede rin dyan. Tapos I created a new template na. So every time you click on new from here, so meron na siyang templated guide or pages or blocks for your Bible verse. For example, click natin yung Bible verse. Tapos, kuha lang tayo ng Bible verse for the day, which is Jeremiah chapter 29, verse 13. So, add lang natin yung text from here. Tapos kung anong translation. So, that's KJV. Add lang natin dito yung Bible verse para din maayos if you open the specific verse. Then from there, you can add kung may itatag ka or i-relate ka under the worship service, prayer, lessons, or cross-reference Bible verses. You can also add reflections and lessons and prayers in worship service. You can always tag it as favorite. Tapos you can tag it also kung anong category siya. So for example, grace there. Tapos tag mo siya as favorite If you tag it as favorite, lalabas siya on the left side, shown earlier. Tapos if it's a devotion. So there. So let's see. So kita natin dito si Jeremiah 29 and let's go back to the dashboard. So there, nandito na si Jeremiah 29, chapter 13. Then sa favorites din, makikita natin dito from the top. So you can also click here para mag-quick actions natin to open the Bible verse. And it will open and show the template as well. So may guide na. So you just have to wait for it to load. So, in Notion, always save siya, quick save siya. So, every time you click the button, makikreate na kagad ng siya new. So, you can just delete it after. You can go to the Bible verse, tapos delete nyo na lang din siya if you're nagkamali kayo. So, that's for the Bible verse or devotion. So, from here, sa database, meron din tayong favorites. All Bible verses nakatag sa favorites, makikita natin dan. Meron din tayong view for as a board, group by categories. So if you want to check about Bible verses about forgiveness, nandito rin siya. Tapos, excuse me, if you want to set a memory verse, so it's a calendar view. So every Tuesday, for example, new weekly Bible verse every Tuesday. Just click on add button. Then it will automatically open the template. So add lang kayo ng Bible verse. Then it will show na dun sa right side naman kanina. So open lang natin do, and then let's delete this because it's a sample. There you go. So let's proceed naman sa Bible topics and Bible lessons. So para mag-create ng Bible topics. So para mag-create ng Bible topics, you can go to the topics database or you can click on the new buttons from here or here. So, don't worry kasi once you-click yung button, meron naman akong create na template for the topics. So, for example, I click on the new topics. This is a topic. Then, title of the module or series, and then the cover image. So, nakikita nyo kanina mga pictures sa cover image yun. So, completion is a roll-up or is like automatically computes if yung lesson mo ay completed or not. Then meron din tayong category. So at least you can categorize your topic. Tapos yung date, so automatic na rin. And stats, so don't delete the stats. It's for the stats on the left side. Tapos from here, description of the topic. Where are you planning to discuss that topic? Tapos you can add the lessons under that, incoming or completed, just by click on the new or click on the new lessons. So pag click nyo itong add lessons, i-list na yung all lessons that you can add. So if you want to add lesson 1 under that topic, so click nyo lang yan, automatically yan dito na siya. Or you can just click on the new and it will open another template of the lesson under it. New lesson number 2, then date scheduled, for example today, then automatically nasa under na siya ng topic na yon. Then for this lesson naman, meron siyang summary, main points about the lesson. Then if may corresponding Bible verses, just add them here. Click the add Bible verse kung meron ka ng mga existing Bible verse. And then, or if you want to add more Bible verses na wala pa sa inyong Bible verses database, just click on the new. And automatically, it will add a new Bible verse. So, click natin new lesson. And as you can see, nag-add na yung Bible verse. Then, let's go back to home. There's a quick actions also here. Para hindi mo na kayo click done from there. Then, ito. So, since wala kayong over image, and this is only a sample, wala kayong makikita. So, there, that's for the Bible topics and lessons. So next is yung prayer request and Bible study groups. So if you want to add a prayer request, just go to the databases, then sa prayers, or below here, sa prayer request section. Click nyo lang yung prayers. Tapos from here, meron tayong different views. All the prayer requests, tapos importance, naka-group by importance. If it's urgent, it's a priority, normal, and so on and so forth. So from here, you can click this new. It's a template again. is the default template for prayer requests. Title of your prayer request, then category if it's a concern, gratitude, friends, personal needs, and so on. Then emotional states, a scale if you're happy or sad or confused or angry. Para at least matrack nyo yung moods nyo. Importance level yung kanina. Tapos if it's private or if it's answered, if answered prayer. So, tapos you can also tag if you share this Notion template with your Bible study group. You can also tag your friends from here. Currently, of course. Then from below, may quick actions, prayer requests. What's your prayer request? Tapos kung ano yung reflections. Tapos kung ano yung Bible verse na related dun sa prayer request. As you can see before, dun sa Bible verses, meron siyang relation with the prayer request. Dito yon. If you want to add a Bible verse from here, si Jeremiah 29, let's go to Jeremiah 29. Since we tag it sa iyong created prayer request, lalabas siya dito sa kanina. Right? So that's for the prayer request. And for the Bible study groups naman, straightforward, it's just an information kung sino yung mga Bible study groups mo. Let's go to the groups. So databases, kung anong name, kung sino members, tapos kung anong meeting schedule, and kung anong location ng group. It's Zoom meeting, church, or Facebook para at least matatrack mo. So that's for the prayers and Bible study group. So for the other databases naman or modules, like for example, itong worship service or sermons. So for the worship service, just go to worship services. Tapos meron siyang different views. One's the all and others the gallery view. So for the all, so title, link URL or YouTube URL. Tapos kung anong church siya. Tapos kung sino yung pastor or speaker. Tapos kung ano yung category. If it's adult, youth, or kids. Tapos kung kailan in-air yung specific worship service. Tapos yung mga related prayer requests. So if you want to add a new worship service na naka-template naman from here, it's a default new sermon. Tapos add nyo lang new sermons, the link church, link URL, YouTube yan. Tapos yung church, drop down, multi-select the speaker, cover image, add an cover image, tapos the date, then the category. From here sa below, may quick actions pa rin. Then the title of the sermon, video embed. You can embed YouTube, Vimeo, and more, or you want to upload. But yung upload is only for 5 MB just because it's free. So better if to use the embed link. Tapos kung ano yung main points of the sermon, so magandang i-detail mo from here. Tapos if you have special notes and action items. Then after the action items, meron din mga related na Bible verses and prayer requests as well. That's for the worship service. Another database is the worship songs. So straightforward naman tong worship songs. Meron ditong title of the song, so sino yung composer, the URL, Spotify link, or audio link, tapos kung anong genre, if it's gospel, hymn, or contemporary. Tapos you can also add the lyrics from here and the media. If it's from YouTube, embed mo lang dito from the worship songs. Then the last is yung reading list. So sa reading list, the title of the book that you're reading, kung sino yung author, tapos kung ano rin yung genre, tapos kung ano yung ratings ng book na yon, then kung ano yung status if you're reading it or not yet or completed, tapos yung cover image yung nakikita nyo from here. Below naman yung mga page blocks, quick action, the summary of the book, and why you're recommending the book to your peers. So that's for the reading list. So I think we covered all the databases. No? If you want to check the guide, meron tayong quick actions from here. There's a link from here, a quick guide on how you can create specific items for specific database or modules. So there naman, meron naman akong video here. So just you can easily check them out. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Notion content. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below sa comment sections. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time, keep growing your faith and God bless.